Hey everybody, just wanted to share with you why you should make all of your Google Forms a quiz. The reason is with one click you can import into Google Classroom which students did something, which did not do it, and analyze what they said. The first example I want to go over with you is an easy attendance form that uses a secret word. So let's say you're doing class, maybe it's on Zoom, and you are going through the class. You want to make sure the students are there till the end. So what you can do is you can set up a Google form and have the settings set to quiz, make it a quiz, and then you have a very simple question that says their name that you give 0 points to, okay? There's no right answer to that. And then the next question would just be, what's the word I mentioned in class today? Let's say it's the word midterm. You make this 100 points. And then in the answer key, you can set it so that all the other answers are incorrect. So you can see when the kids submit the form, who actually was there till the end of class. Another one you could do would be auto credit for something like an interest survey. Let's say you're doing a survey about a competition. And again, you're going to make it 100 points by putting the name as 0. And then, are you a student? Yep, that's 100 points. And then you can give them a video about it. And then at the end, are you interested? And then that way you can see which kids are interested in and which have gone through it. There's also a way to make it so that they have to watch the video, but we'll talk about that another time. Another one you could do would be a student feedback survey. Let's say you're wanting to know about a project that the students are doing. You do the same thing again. You make the assignment a quiz. You put 0 points for their name. Are you a student? 100 points. You're only going to set yes as the correct answer. So as long as they click yes, they get the points. And then you could ask them, how do you rate the assignment? Why? What do you think? And you can actually make sure that everybody has to answer it. What happens is, if they don't answer these required questions, it won't let them submit the form. So you can pick whatever the questions that you want answered to be. Another thing would be a do now entrance slip. I love this. This would be just a question about, hey, what do you think? And you can actually make it more than 100 points if you want to reward them for happening to know the correct answer. So same deal, you make their name 0 points. Are you a student? 100. Now you can give them the question. And if you say, you know what, I want to reward you with some extra credit if you get the right answer, then you could make it so that the correct answer is that 5, 10, whatever extra points. Of course, an exit slip is a really great one at the end of class. Same sort of thing. You have the name be 0 points. You have the question that they have to fill out, and then you can see instantly which answers were given. One last example might be a permission slip. And you can do this. Is your child a student at the school? You give the 100 points for that. Yes would be the only possible answer. And then you can ask them whatever you want. And again, with the required questions, they have to fill everything out. They should be saying, okay, well, how do I see this instantly? Well, in Google Classroom, when you have dropped the assignment, I've hidden student names here, but you can see the attendance form, and it shows me who has turned it in, who hasn't. But students, they'll turn in something and they didn't do it. So if I click import, it will show me if they really did it. And it also shows me if it was done late or not. So great option. Just want to tell everybody, almost all your Google Forms you give to students should be a quiz. And we'll do some follow-up videos about it if you have any questions. Thanks.